Ever struggled with lumpy smoothies or messy kitchen blenders? You're about to discover the top 7 portable blenders that make silky, delicious smoothies anytime, anywhere. Stick around, because I'll show you the best options, and you can grab them easily through the links in the description. Let's blend. At number 7 is MOJOCO Smoothie Blender. Ever tried making a smoothie on the go, only to end up with chunks and spills? That's where the MOJOCO Smoothie Blender changes the game. Tested for real-world convenience, its powerful stainless steel blades crush ice, frozen fruits, and protein powders effortlessly, giving a silky, consistent texture every single time. This 14-ounce rechargeable blender is compact, lightweight, and mess-free, perfect for the kitchen, office, or even the gym. Unlike some larger portable blenders in our top 7 lineup, MOJOCO's leak-proof design and built-in sip spout make it insanely convenient. You can blend, drink, and go. Sure, the small size limits large batches, but for daily personal use, it's a smart, safe, and reliable choice. Curious how it stacks up against other top options? Stick around, you might rethink your current blender. On number 6 is EPBEPB Immersion Blender. Ever wondered why some portable blenders leave chunks behind no matter what you do? The EPBEPB Immersion Blender is designed to fix that. Tested for real-world comfort, its 1000-watt brushless motor powers through ice, nuts, and dense ingredients effortlessly, giving you smooth, consistent results every time. Its 4-blade stainless steel head blends faster and more evenly than dual-blade models, making it a serious contender in our top 7 lineup. With 11 speed settings and a turbo boost, you control the texture perfectly, whether it's a creamy smoothie or thick soup. Ergonomic and splash-resistant, it reduces mess and hand fatigue, offering a safe, worry-free experience. Compared to smaller portable blenders like the MOJOCO, it's more versatile for heavy-duty tasks. If you want precision, power, and convenience in one, this is a smart pick. Curious how it fares against the rest? Stay tuned, you'll be impressed. At number 5 is Bemerber Electric Blender. Here's a bold truth: most portable blenders talk about power, but freeze when they see ice. The Bemerber electric blender doesn't flinch. First, performance. A 50-watt motor. 12 stainless steel blades spinning at 21,000 revolutions per minute. It crushes frozen fruit in seconds. Smooth texture. No frustrating chunks. That alone makes it a serious contender in our top 7 lineup. Curious how it handles daily use? Now safety, because that matters. Magnetic sensing switch. Double protection system. It simply won't run unless locked correctly. That's peace of mind, especially if you're blending around kids. Isn't that reassuring? Portability. 500 milliliters capacity. USB-C rechargeable. Lightweight but durable. Compared to the MOJOCO, it offers more capacity, though slightly less raw torque. Trade-offs matter. Minor downside? Charging takes a few hours. But for travel, gym, or office smoothies, this is a confident, smart buy. If you value safety and convenience over heavy-duty immersion power, you'll love it. At number 4 is Ninja Portable Blender. Here's something most people don't realize: portable blenders under 300 watts struggle with frozen fruit. The Ninja Portable Blender? It brings 700 watts of serious blending authority. Let's talk power. Pulse technology. Ice crushing performance. It tears through frozen berries and tough greens effortlessly. That's why in our top 7 lineup, this one feels closer to a full-size countertop machine. Impressive, right? Now convenience. Blend in the 16-ounce cup. Snap on the spout lid. Walk out the door. No mess. No extra jars. Compared to lighter USB models like Bemerber, it's less travel-friendly, but dramatically more powerful. Trade-off? Portability versus performance. Cleaning is simple. BPA-free. Dishwasher safe. Peace of mind included. Downside? It needs a power base, so not truly cordless. If you want maximum smoothie power at home with grab-and-go ease, this is a confident, smart investment. But if you need ultra-compact travel blending, You may prefer smaller options. On number 3 is TOMUOO Shake Maker. Here's a quick question. What if your morning smoothie took just 30 seconds and zero stress? The TOMUOO Shake Maker makes that feel effortless. First, performance. 6 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. 22,000 revolutions per minute speed. It turns fruits, veggies, even protein shakes into silky blends fast. In our top 7 portable blender lineup, this one stands out for balancing power and true travel freedom. Curious about safety? Magnetic induction lock. It only runs when aligned correctly. That's real peace of mind, especially for busy kitchens. Add USB-C charging with a power display, and you're never guessing battery life. Smart, right? Compared to the Ninja's raw 700-watt strength, this is more compact and gym-friendly, but less heavy-duty for thick frozen loads. Trade-offs matter. Minor con? Needs proper liquid ratio for best results. If you want a lightweight, rechargeable smoothie blender for daily commutes or workouts, this is a confident, practical pick. Heavy ice crushers may want more power. At number 2 is AMZCHEF Mini Blender. Did you know oxidation can ruin your smoothie before you even take a sip? That's where the AMZCHEF Mini Blender surprised me. Let's start with power. 10 blades. 18,000 revolutions per minute. A 3D turbulent flow that blends from every angle. The result? Smooth, even textures that rival bigger countertop units in our top 7 portable blender lineup. Impressive, but wait until you hear this. Vacuum preservation. A 55 kilopascal seal that locks in nutrients and reduces foam. Your shake stays fresh longer. That's peace of mind for busy mornings. USB-C waterproof charging adds true travel freedom, while the flip-top lid makes it a real grab-and-go smoothie blender. Compared to TOMUOO, it's slightly smaller in capacity but wins in freshness technology. Minor downside? Not built for heavy ice crushing like Ninja. If you value nutrition retention and sleek portability, this is a smart, confident buy. Power users may want something stronger. Now moving to the last one is COKUNST Juice Mixer. What if your portable blender actually told you when it needed attention? The COKUNST Juice Mixer does, and that's a game changer. First, blending power. Upgraded 6-blade stainless steel system. A stronger swirl. Smoother, chunk-free drinks in seconds. In our top 7 portable blender lineup, this one balances performance and smart features beautifully. Curious about control? The LED display shows battery percentage, countdown timer, even error alerts. That's confidence. No guessing. No surprises. USB-C charging keeps it ready for busy mornings or gym sessions. One-button operation with a safety lock adds peace of mind, especially compared to simpler models like MOJOCO that lack display feedback. It's compact, self-cleaning, and travel-friendly. Downside? Not as powerful as Ninja for hardcore frozen blending. But for everyday smoothies, protein shakes, and office use, this is a smart, dependable choice. If you value control and convenience, you'll appreciate this one. After testing all contenders in our top 7 portable blenders for smoothies, the Ninja Portable Blender stands out as the winner. Here's why you should buy it. Its 700-watt pulse motor crushes ice and frozen fruit like a countertop unit, yet still blends right into the single-serve cup you take with you. It delivers nutrient-rich, creamy results, is easy to clean, and gives you real power without sacrificing convenience. If you want performance, reliability, and everyday versatility, this choice brings peace of mind and consistently delicious drinks wherever you go. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best portable blender for smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.